Embroidery machines have revolutionized the world of stitching, allowing hobbyists, small business owners, and professional designers to create intricate patterns with ease. Whether you're looking to personalize clothing, craft custom gifts, or start an embroidery business, choosing the right machine is crucial. From user-friendly models for beginners to advanced machines packed with features like automatic thread cutting, multiple needle options, and touchscreen interfaces, there's an embroidery machine to suit every need. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 7 best embroidery machines and their key feature, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 7. Brother SE600. The Brother SE600 combination machine is a fantastic tool for both sewing and embroidery enthusiasts. With 80 built-in embroidery designs and 103 built-in sewing stitches, this machine offers endless possibilities for creativity. Users appreciate how easy it is to transition between sewing mode and embroidery mode, which simplifies the process of completing various quilting projects. The convenience of the machine is enhanced by the inclusion of 7 easy-to-swap sewing feet, such as overcasting, monogramming, and blind stitch feet. These features contribute to creating polished and professional-looking results on every project. The versatility of the Brother SE600 ensures that whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewist, you can tackle a wide range of tasks with confidence. This makes it a popular choice for those looking to expand their sewing and embroidery capabilities without the complexity often associated with such machines. Number 6. EverSewn Charlotte 80-Stitch. The EverSewn Charlotte is a compact yet versatile sewing machine that has garnered positive acclaim for its wide array of functions. Despite its small footprint, this machine accommodates a variety of sewing needs, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced sewists. One of the standout features is its automatic needle threader and cutter, which significantly eases the preparation process, allowing users to start their projects without frustration. With a speed of 650 stitches per minute, the EverSewn Charlotte ensures that you can complete your work efficiently, helping you tackle larger projects without spending excessive time at the machine. This impressive speed, combined with its user-friendly interface, has made it a popular choice for those new to sewing who are looking to develop their skills without a steep learning curve. Many customers appreciate the machine's affordability while still offering quality features that can compete with higher-end models. Overall, the EverSewn Charlotte stands out as a reliable and functional sewing machine that meets the needs of a diverse user base, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to explore the world of sewing. Number 5. Brother SE1900. For avid crafters, having a versatile machine that serves multiple purposes is essential, especially when space is at a premium. The Brother SE1900 sewing and embroidery machine stands out with its advanced features designed to enhance the crafting experience. One of its key highlights is the easy needle threading function, which effortlessly pushes the thread through the needle, saving time and frustration. Additionally, the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin significantly reduces the chances of tangles and ensures smooth operation. This machine offers a wealth of creative options with 138 built-in designs and 11 embroidery fonts, making it well-suited for both novice and intermediate crafters. Whether you want to personalize gifts or create decorative projects, this machine provides the tools needed to bring your ideas to life. Its combination of functionality and user-friendly design makes it a fantastic addition to any crafting workspace. Number 4. Brother PE535. When it comes to finding the perfect monogramming machine, versatility and ease of use are paramount, and the Brother PE535 checks all the boxes. This machine stands out due to its impressive selection of 9 fonts, providing crafters with a range of options to customize their projects. Among these fonts, you'll find 3 unique Japanese options, adding an artistic flair that can enhance your designs. One of the standout features of the Brother PE535 is the inclusion of valuable resources for users. It comes with an instructional DVD and a bilingual user manual, ensuring that users can set up and operate the machine with minimal hassle. This user-friendly approach makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced crafters alike. In addition to the font options, The machine boasts an impressive library of 80 built-in designs and 10 frame patterns, allowing for even greater creativity. Whether you're looking to create simple monograms or intricate designs, the possibilities are vast. For those who wish to incorporate a personal touch, the Brother PE535 makes it easy to import custom designs via a USB port. This feature significantly expands your creative potential, letting you bring personal ideas to life seamlessly. Overall, the Brother PE535 is an excellent choice for anyone serious about monogramming and embroidery, providing a perfect blend of functionality, user support, and design options that will inspire creativity and satisfaction in any crafting project. When selecting a monogramming machine, having a variety of fonts is essential, and the Brother PE535 excels in this area. It offers 9 different fonts, including 3 uniquely designed Japanese options. Users will appreciate the included instructional DVD and bilingual user manual that simplifies the setup process. Additionally, the machine boasts 80 built-in designs and 10 frame patterns. For those looking to personalize further, you can easily import your own designs through a USB port, making it a versatile choice for crafters and those interested in personalized projects. Number 3. Uten Portable Sewing Machine. 685A is a versatile machine that goes beyond just basic sewing, featuring impressive embroidery capabilities suitable for both beginners and experienced users. One of its standout features is the user-friendly LCD touchscreen, which allows for easy navigation through various functions. The machine includes essential features such as a reverse button and options for memorized needle positioning, ensuring precision with every stitch. Additionally, the automatic tension adjustment and customizable stitch length and width eliminate the guesswork often associated with crafting, making it easier for users to achieve professional results. Whether you're creating intricate designs or simple projects, the Uten 2685A is designed to help you tackle a wide range of tasks effortlessly, enhancing your sewing and embroidery experience. Perfect for crafters at any skill level, this machine combines functionality with ease of use, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their sewing repertoire. Number 2. Brother PE800. For beginners venturing into embroidery, the choice of a user-friendly machine can significantly impact the overall experience. The Brother PE800 stands out as an excellent option in this regard, designed specifically with ease of use in mind. New crafters can expect to familiarize themselves with the machine quickly, thanks to an intuitive instruction manual that allows them to start their embroidery projects just 30 minutes after setting up. Deanna McCormack, a contributor at The Spruce, tested the Brother PE800 despite having no prior stitching experience. Her feedback highlights the machine's supportive features that aid novices in mastering embroidery. As I navigated through the designs, the screen provided helpful tips and instructions, making it easier for me to understand the process and make necessary adjustments as I progressed, she remarked. This underscores how the Brother PE800 is not just a machine, it acts as a guide for beginners, fostering independence and boosting confidence as they embark on new creative paths. One factor to consider, however, is the size of the machine. While its somewhat large build means that users must ensure they have adequate storage space, this generous size ultimately benefits the crafting process. A larger embroidery area accommodates bigger projects, allowing users to explore broader design possibilities without feeling constrained. In the crafting community, equipment can make or break the crafting journey. The Brother PE800 addresses this by providing both functionality and an environment conducive to learning. Its user-friendly nature, combined with space for creativity, makes it an optimal choice for those just starting out in the realm of embroidery. In summary, the Brother PE800 not only serves as a tool, but also as a supportive companion in every crafter's journey, encouraging exploration and artistic expression while laying a solid foundation for skill development in embroidery. Whether you're looking to create intricate designs or simply explore this enjoyable hobby, the Brother PE800 is positioned well to guide you along the way, making it an investment worth considering for aspiring embroiderers. Number 1. Janome Memory Craft 500E. Creating unique pieces has never been easier or quicker than with the Janome Memory Craft. Its full-color touchscreen allows you to easily import and edit your designs, making the creative process smooth and enjoyable. You can customize your projects even further by adding up to 6 fonts, ensuring endless possibilities for personalization. For those who might not feel as confident in their design skills, the machine comes with an impressive library of 180 patterns. These patterns range from classic styles to floral alphabets and intricate sashiko designs, catering to various tastes and project needs. Although the machine's compact size can limit its capacity for larger projects like quilts, it also makes it incredibly convenient for storage and portability. Overall, the Janome Memory Craft is a versatile tool for both novice and experienced crafters, enhancing creativity while remaining user-friendly. Creating unique pieces has never been easier or quicker. The Janome Memory Craft's full-color touchscreen makes it easy for you to import and edit your own designs. And with the ability to add up to 6 fonts, the possibilities are endless. Of course, if you're less creative when it comes to designing, the machine's library includes 180 patterns ranging from classic designs to floral alphabets to sashiko designs. The machine's compact size makes it difficult to tackle larger projects like quilts, but that also makes it a breeze to store. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.